It's showing. Let's do a little test. Do a little test. It's showing. Let's do a little test. Music's a little loud. Howdy, boys. I don't think anybody's in here yet. All right. Hopefully this new mic's working a little better. Hopefully working better. Come on. I do not like when the contracts roll over. That's pretty much it. Okay. No, markets are looking heavy. All right. Well, are we chilling? How loud this is? Are we chilling? Okay, new mic sounding way better. Way better. Probably up that a little bit. There we go. Yo, Georgie boy, how you doing? I just got a new mic set up today, so let me know if you can hear me all right. It should be a little bit better than what I've been running. Oops. How you been, bro? I'm just marking up the continuous contracts here. How's your morning? The mic is crystal clear. That's what I like to hear, man. Much better. I went back and listened to my Bose headset mic, and it sounded terrible, man. So we got hooked up with like one of those little clip-ons. So yeah, man. How's your day, bro? How's Thursday over in the EU, the UK? Took a long on EU today. Got a partial, then a BE. Nice, dude. Partials are always good. Take a look at it in a little bit here. Just kind of getting my grips on the market. Price is pretty, after yesterday's sell-off, price is pretty messy right now. But hopefully today's volume. Oh, we had data. We had data wicks at 8:30. Hold up. Not much of a data wick. All good. Let's check this on. Yeah, not much of a news release, but well, good job on EU, bro. That must have been a little bit more of an early morning entry. I'm assuming you don't trade London or anything like that, so it's so sunny outside. Nice, man. That's good. It's definitely spring where I'm living. I'm not sure what your guys' winters and springs and summers usually look like, but I'm assuming it's gray through the winter. And we're just chilling, taking it easy. Nothing too crazy yet. Definitely in a bit of a sell-off. These draws look good. Already took Asia low. Just leaving it on. Actually, you know what? Here, was it here? It was here. Asia low. We'll just mark it like that. We've already taken Asia low. We'll see how we start reacting. ES. Asia low. This indicator's just a mess. England is so weird. It can be sunny in the winter and cold in the summer. The weather is so random here. I mean, yeah, bro, it's the price you pay living on the ocean, like not close enough to the equator. The ocean, I'm assuming, depicts most of your weather. Plus, bro, you're literally on an island. One big fat island. Thanks, baby. Ooh. Yo, just a quick hydration check. Make sure you're drinking water, people. Well, we're sitting here waiting for price to do something. Let's take a look at EU here. What's your draw? Is there any specific draw that you're keen on? US dollar just gained a mountain of strength since basically start of February. Look at this, right? The EU fell off, one of the two. But we're melting. Things are getting a little interesting because we've failed to violate this low. Might be in for a bit more of like a deeper correction for sure. That's what you're drawing into? I like it. Oh yeah. Oh, here, let's just go like this. Asia high. All right, I like it. How'd you get into this? Were you in from the bottom? Or up to 15 retest? If this starts clearing this high, I mean, these previous sessions are definitely in discussion. Three minute. Down here? Or aha. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. You take it on the retest? That's a great retest. That's exactly what we're looking for. Decent little partial. Yeah, dude. I like that 1 hour POI. This continuation makes a ton of sense. Good little move. Good little move to Asia high there. 1.5. You know, wide you went. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in this 15-minute continuation as well. Upside or just slamming these trades? I like it. Getting the reps in. I like it. Stress-free trading. I like this a lot. The 2 minute. 2 minute looks a little bit better because there's a better V-shaped property to it. 3 minute. Looking at all these, I mean, again, this is its own little price leg on the 2 and the 1 minute, so I'd be keen just to slam this. Nice, dude. Wow. Hopefully you're playing it to the highs here. Upside right on. Yeah, so how much are you partialing? Like, are you just trading 0.2 lots? Or are you like 50% off at these highs? Or not like it really matters, but once you start trading a little more size, it'll be a decision you need to make at how much you're actually taking off, right? I would never leave these extended runners as a majority of your position, but this is absolutely beautiful. Deep retest passed, right? And like if you got in this, I'm not sure when the entry was. The entry was literally at the candle closure. So this candle closed and respected this 15-minute gap, and the immediate next 1 minute candle retests. I guess technically not. There's this little guy right here, but whatever. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 50% off right on. Yeah, I would recommend taking the closer draw as well if that's going to be your next hard TP. The closer draw makes sense. If you're keen on it, give it room. If you're not keen on it, like if you're not 100%, you're never 100%, but if there's something in and around this region that's setting you off, look to trail. right? Wait for some structure and then trail as it breaks highs. But this looks good. Vadan, what up, big dog? I'm good, man. Just got a new mic set up today, so hopefully it's sounding a little bit crispier than the last 2 days for you guys. But doing well, man. Doing well. Just checking out. George took a couple bangers on EU. This looks like it might print. I think it'll be something you need to try out for sure. And I mean, anytime you start to scale up trading capital, it's best to do it slowly so you can figure this type of stuff out, you know, while you're getting used to the larger numbers. 3-minute entry on NQ. Where at? Just right off the low. Honestly, listen, if you're trading reversals, then this is wonderful. This is absolutely wonderful. Right? If you're just taking the session low, 3-minute IFVG. Yeah, beautiful. Great V-shaped property. Like we can see, like the market closed heavy and it immediately rejected, showing signs that it wants to turn back to the upside. Plus, we got a ton of liquidity up here. Asia high, midnight. But not my style, bro. If that's what you took. Oh. Fuck. Holy shit, George. Look at that. There it is. Drop that in the group. Great trade. Great trade. Wow. That's smacked. Yeah. Yeah, you're done, bro. Done for the day. 4R, what a banger. You're forward testing, Vedant? Right on. Yeah, bro. I mean, I'm not trading these types of session reversals anymore, but this looks good. This is exactly what you'd want to see. Only concern for me is that, again, I guess the retest came at 9:45, so it's the next 15-minute candle. But I don't really trade the price action of that first 15-minute candle. It's usually a scam. Price could easily just take this high, for example, and correct lower, right? We never tapped into these two lower draws. ES, same kind of deal. We just got a big old buy side pool here. Like this still looks heavy to me, right? Still looks pretty heavy. That's why only trading low time frame can be a little bit dicey, but it depends on your style, man. It depends on your style. Macy, right on, dude. Yeah, George just took this for 4R, dude. 1 minute entry off the 15-minute. Beauty. And then he took another partial dub off here, ripping Asia high. Very nice. Macy, how's your day going, bro? Yeah, that's a great trade. That's a dream trade. Well done, brother. Well done. Macy, how's your week going, my brother? How's your week going? You guys gonna be showing up for the call tonight? I know Vedant will be there. Come on, baby. Or no, Vedant, you're usually on the Sunday calls, bro. But I know George will be probably sleeping his little British head on his pillow when we're in our call. Going slow so far, just about to mark up the charts. Yeah, right on, man. I'm the same. I just mark up like right around 7:30-ish. High volume week for you there, Macy, or? I'm pretty chill on my end, dude. Thanks for the hype. Let's fucking go! George! You're an animal. You're an absolute animal. Well deserved. I'll be logging on from the car. Mini-Me has dude, soccer practice on a Thursday morning? Like, these kids not go to school? Or is it like a school practice? Yo, George, this is for you, bro. Hold up.
It's 8 o'clock.
Oh my gosh, it's 8 o'clock. By the way, guys, my computer tells me it's 8 o'clock every single day, so. George, give me just a quick sec here, buddy. I'm just queuing something up for you. I need it on the monitor, man. That's what I need. Let's fucking go, George! Had a nice do today! 4 on before 9 a.m. Before 10 a.m. Let's go! Oh, you mean the call, bro. I thought you meant right now. Like, holy shit, soccer practice right now? Come on, baby. George, you better be on your fucking feet. You better be fist pumping like a champ. Come on. One of many. One of many. Say it with me, baby. One of many. Let's go. Come on, baby. Yeah, bro. George hit a banger. All right, bro. That's all I got for you. That's all I got for you. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting an entire wall in my room installed as a speaker, just one big wall speaker, so I can literally disconnect my computer with how loud it is. One of many. This is just the start. 100%, bro. Ups and downs, highs and lows. It doesn't even matter, man. We celebrate, but we dial back in. It's all process. It's literally all process, man. This shows you. That's unreal. How'd you look? Wow. Must be some like somebody's shitting their pants. Like US dollar, like gold selling too. I guess this is the hourly time frame. What am I doing? Ha! Wow. That is beautiful catch. Yo, what's good, Sean? 0 to 100 real quick. Buddy, you know me. All day. I got very little chill sometimes. I'm chill until I'm not. That's me. Chill until I'm not. See what happens with this next 15 print. If we get a good closure to the upside. What happens? You just stop me out. The fuck is this European strength right now? Is that on your swing position there, brother? Or wow. Those bloody Europeans. Euro strength, dollar weakness. Who knows? Who knows? Were you short like intraday? No, you don't trade GU intraday, do you? Yo, I don't think those lads from the afternoon call yesterday are showing up. They haven't tuned in yet. Classic. Yeah, this was an absolute ripper. Oh. we're chilling right now, boys. We're chilling. Everything's looking pretty good. Might be another ES trade again. Leading a little bit. Let's see. It's been ES all week for me, boys. Took an L on, was it Tuesday? Took an L on Tuesday. Got missed on the retag, on the re-entry. Got missed. And then yesterday was another short on ES. And yeah, it's been playing really well. It's been playing really well this week. What NQ's calling. NQ is calling. Sean, you got a particular bias for your session today? Macy, man. I'm glad you're tuning into the Thursday evening boys chat from your car at soccer practice. That's solid. I love that. How do I fit this to screen? Stretch to screen, maybe? There we go. Yeah, there we go. Got rid of that little black edge. Much better. Much better. Well, boys, just another day in the office, eh? Hope y'all are doing well. Tell you, when we slam a dub today, I'm gonna fucking launch my desk. It's coming. Yeah, making money, boys. I like it. Love it. Sean, what'd you get up to on your shift tonight? Or yesterday? Or no, I guess today's your first day, right? You're on days, never mind. Today's your first day? Best day of the stint. Think I'm gonna just slam longs, full port again? Those two words, or is it one word, full port? Full port, 2 words? Anyways, those words freak me the fuck out. That's wicked, man. This is a wicked little setup. Showcases again, like just the power of like immediate price action, right? We see this shift, right? Clear target, right? Price is moving towards that target with speed. That entry down here is clean on the 3M. I like that. And then the same deal, right? Take it. Where's the next draw? We're either coming down here or we're going up here, right? Put your money here. We got momentum up. The 15-minute close was absolutely spicy. Yo, what up, Mac? Yo, I got the new mic going, bro. I got one of those like clip-on fuzzies that I think you were repping for a bit there, or maybe you still are. Also got the Epidemic sound going. Come on. How's the music, boys? Is it good volume, or should I turn it up or down a little bit? What are you thinking? Mac, you trading today, buddy? I'm just sneaking in for a quick little taste. Sounds really good. Right on. Holy shit, boys. Angie is here. Angie! What up, my man? Yeah, bro. We'll talk later. Angie, what up, dog? Yo, guys, Angie was in my little live call last night that I did in the afternoon. I was just smoking a stogie on YouTube Live, and he's here, man, ready to learn today. Okay, well, I don't really know where to start, man. I would say just watch for a couple days, and you can kind of start to see what's going on. But do you have any experience on the charts there, Angie? Candlesticks, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what we're looking for, Angie, is momentum, and we mark out. Okay. Well, we mark out highs and lows, specific highs and lows, which you can learn how to do, and it's very simple. And then we look for a specific pattern, either going into those highs or out of those highs. Make sense? That's what I'm trying to teach you. It takes time, man. It takes a lot of time just to kind of get comfortable with what you're doing. Takes some time. So we can see here, Angie, market took an old low that we've got marked as Asia low. We're now expanding to the upside, right? So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a good move, right? Price starts to move in this direction. There's got to be an old high because we're trading long. There's got to be a high that we can trade into. Hopefully that makes sense. But the market looks like it's starting to ladder up a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. This was absolutely money, George. Beautiful. Angie, you said you were in Vancouver, right? Is that correct? $200 points. This is a bit of a sauce. Yeah, right on. 7 a.m. up bright and early. Let's go. Ugh, still waking up a little bit on my end here, man. I'm excited for that sun to be up early in summer. So basically, Angie, what we do is we wait for price to set up, right? Provide our model, and it's a lot of waiting, and then we drop down and we enter, and then we trade. Nothing exciting what we're doing here. Yeah, I mean, neither, George. That was wild. You see, this thing looks like it might want to turn around. Likelihood is we take this second high too, but looks like GU just took it. Oh no, GU's destroyed it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, great TP areas there, George. I like that. All right, we got a level. Let's go. Let's take a look here. 59, 49. I think ES is looking a little better. What I missed? You didn't miss anything, bro. We were just chilling. Got the charts marked up. Got everything ready. Here we are. We did get a 15-minute bullish gap here, boys. Not gonna lie. It's a little bit sus. We got this 1 minute BPR here. It's gonna be a wide ass stop. I don't like ES. See what happens. Not in the business of rushing right now. Is that new week opening gap too? Hold up. I hate when Nads doesn't just rip the TP. Yeah, no doubt. I'm looking for potential continuation off this 15-minute level. A little more of a fan of ES though, because it's not as down on the day. The only problem is like this 1 minute price action does not look like a reversal out of this 15 to go higher. 1, 2, yeah. We'll see. Like entry would have to be off this flip. Then we're basically in that 1 hour gap with 15-point stop on S&P. Nah. Last few 5-minute candles are pretty gross on NQ. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're accumulating. Faux show. Honestly, a little accumulation up. Print me a gap. Take this low, tap in, flip the gap. Sayonara. Not the type of PA I typically like to trade on the lower time frame. At least it doesn't look uniform. Looks like it wants to melt. Maybe not. There's a small SMT on the bottom here. Like that was the 3 minute that Vedant was looking at. How'd you get involved in this, Sean? Just a straight raw dog off Asia Low? All right, we're tapped. Now, do we risk it for the biscuit off this little baby back bitch flip? 25 points, not bad, not bad. Still like ES better. Nah, I'm not buying this, boys. Looks heavy. Not the type of entry structure I like to look for personally. With this BPR at the top, I mean, not what I'm looking for. Happy to let her go if she goes. But personally, these draws need to get smacked on one of these assets here. Like if we flip this 15, that'd be nice, man. That'd be real nice. We flip the 15. We look for a re-entry off it, or an entry off the 15 to trade lower. Higher time frame for me is bearish on ES. Yeah, yeah, Macy. I'm leaning shorts too. Flip this 15. Look real nice. We'll see. Still got 7 minutes on the candle closure, man. We could wick right down into this and just V-shape the fuck out of here and go long. So like this is looking a little bit better here. Right, we flip something like this. Looking a little bit better. But it looks heavy. We would need an immediate reaction. ES is pushed way through. That would be an absolutely nutty reversal here on that candle closure. Yeah. Yeah, no doubt. It's I mean, ES looks, upside looks good, but the only issue is like, the only draw is previous Asia high, right? After that, I mean, you know, if we're looking from a points perspective, like that's 350 points off the low we printed, right? 360 points. It's a bit of a ways versus the 40 points we missed on. We'll see. I'm hands off for now, boys. Yeah, ES is stronger and it looks heavier, which is always interesting. Like ES looks like it wants to shit itself. We'll see. Not looking at NQ, Macy? Why not, bro? Any specific reasons, man, or? Just not a fan of those letters when you woke up on Monday, or what? Here comes the rain. Let's flip too. Boys, I'm doing vinyl planking on the stairs today. It's gonna be an interesting session for sure. I see, like, this just looks so heavy. I don't know, ask BE, bro. The 3-minute entry was clean. I know Vedant was asking me about it. But again, that's just like raw dog and reversal lifestyle right there, man. Yeah. Okay. You know, I realized I went back and watched a bit of that recording from yesterday, boys. I don't know if it's because it wasn't like fully updated or whatever. None of this stuff, all this stuff's new to me, but the music wasn't playing when I was selling the dub. It just sounded ridiculous. Absolutely redonkulous by young man George caught this absolute stanky long on Macy caught it too, but this EU long, my goodness. FX has been renting lately. Oh my goodness. Pretty sure I've marked up like almost 20 R worth of trades in like the last 2 weeks. Just EU and GU, just quick 15 one hour continuation. It's been spicy. Yeah, this ain't coming back, man. Bye-bye. Macy with that higher time frame bias dialed in. What did he say? I'm still looking for sells. High time frame for me is bearish on ES. Fucking rights it is, man. Look at you. It's because you work for the government, bro. This guy's got that insider intel. Some goober online told me about reversals. Now he doesn't even use it. Hey, man. Listen. Take some ownership. Reversals are still great, man. You just have to understand like how to manage them. I think the follow through rate on catching a low or a high is quite a bit lower than we probably expect it to be, right? If you can catch a full move 1 out of 10 times, I mean that's probably pretty good, while still paying yourself along the way on, you know, the other 6 to 8 moves that do at least react in your desired direction. But she going damn, boy. We're going for them sell side draws. I don't know if that just made it louder for you guys too. Like I turn the music up on my end. Does it actually go up on everybody's end? It does. Okay. Let me turn that back down for you guys. There you go. Oops. Mac, I got that epidemic sound, dude. It's been working. It's free. I don't know when it's gonna ask me to pay, but it says something about 2,500 credits. I'm not sure how to use credits. They were incredible on FX till they stopped shaping up around last June. Yeah. Yeah, man. Classic example of market cycle. You know what I'm saying? Got to adapt. Got to adapt. Got to be able to still trade what you see, right? And I think being able to see continuations, like being able to trade both models, like a continuation and a reversal model, is it's powerful. It's very powerful. Yeah, Sean, there were always two models, bro. Actually, I think there was three models, Mac. Didn't you have like high day, and then I guess ROL high day? Those are more bias style models, I guess, or high day is reversal for sure. Oh, I remember the old continuations, buddy. Good times. All right, boys, 15-minute inversion. Let's see if we can get a retest off this biatch. And NQ is weaker because the percent is greater. It's lower, so that's what I'm going to short on, assuming price action looks of quality. I'll sell whichever is weaker and I'll buy whichever is stronger. Just so you guys know. It's what I try to practice. Coin flip ES or NQ? LOL, just one asset this week. What do you mean one asset, bro? You literally took a fucking long on EU today, man. You're out here like, ES, EU. This guy is in love with the letter E, man. Come on, baby. ES, EU, baby. Me and you making that money. Mixtape inbound. Oh. Yo, we got red folder tomorrow, boys. Anybody know? Take a little peek here. Where the fuck is red folder? There it is. No news tomorrow. Sheesh. And then next week we got Monday, no news. We got PMI on Tuesday. 9:45. Okay, cool. That's perfect. Right when our trading window opens. Thursday, classic. Friday, nothing. Yeah, we got a couple stale. Next week will be stale. End of this week will be me. Mac, you got any plans for your weekend, bro? Like anything going on? You were just out of town last weekend, right? I tend to chill after a busy weekend. Like if last weekend was busy, I do my best to make sure that like the following weekend is just me, myself, and tuba lube. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for hanging out, boys. Like this is always a great time. Like just chilling, trading, waiting for shit to happen. Just hanging, bro. Yeah, boy. Serge!
What up, Big Daddy? How you doing? Yeah, welcome. I missed you, bro.
Anyway, Serge, I got a new mic, man. I'm just fucking around with it. I got it clipped on my shirt. I was thinking about clipping it on my nose, but let's do it. Ow! Fuck! It's okay. We're running it. Yo, check out the Discord. Is the mic quality absolutely clutch or what? Mac, tell me if this is right. What's up, fellas? Serge, man, how's your morning, brother? How's your two little girls? How's your wife? How are you? How's traffic? How's the office? How's it all, man? That way I can hear you breathing. Yeah, bro. I was thinking about selling mixtapes of me just breathing. Nas inverts. Yeah, no doubt, man. It happens. It happens. You know what? Is there a 30-minute? No. I took the 30-minute time frame off my process, boys. Like, I don't know, a month and a half ago, and it's been good because I find like 15, 30 in 1 hour it can be so convoluted, right? So just like 15 and 1 hour levels, but the 30-minute has been super saucy. Again, typically falls in line with either the 15 or the 1 hour, but I find the 30 helps kind of filter out if you have, like, for example, two 15-minute gaps yesterday, for example, right? You look at yesterday and then we go to 30. I guess there's still two gaps, but this is so minuscule. Wait, where are we here? Was this yesterday? No, this was yesterday. Anyways, yeah, not incorporating it, but check it out. Yeah, I don't know, Mac. This 15-minute wick is pretty saucy. Likely to just get some good old confusion. Macy, man, you from the office today? See how ES reacts from the 1 minute. You still looking to short this bitch or what? Oh, you're talking this BPR? Yeah, dude. We'll see. Could easily just send price packing. These BPRs are nuts. But this just looks like a push lower to mitigate. We'll see. At least on the 1 minute. Who knows? Who knows? Time will tell. These assets can turn around so quickly. It's unbelievable. You're like, oh yeah, the 5 minute looks like we're laddering. You know, we're getting some liquidity build up. Yeah, right. It's just gonna react off a 1 minute and melt. Looks like Forex is going back up. Let's go. I'm really happy George caught this trade, honestly. Okay, what are you saying? Oof, this is whack. I'm assuming you got ripped for BE and then didn't catch this reaction. BE at 1-to-1 on NAS can help taking reversal losses, but a lot of times I feel like it taps me out and then goes to full TP. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing, dog. Shit happens. Also, like, look at structure, right? Like, we never violated this low, right? Like, this low is still intact, right? Sure, we shifted, but if you just look at the price, the leg you entered on, like, we got a fresh leg here, right? So you could have trailed. I mean, in hindsight, you could have trailed. But again, then you're risking taking unnecessary losses, right? Like these minimal unnecessary losses. And who knows, maybe that stomach's okay with you. It's worth the attempt, right? The risk that you had on was worth the potential upside. But this is wonky PA, bro. Yeah, dude. B was structure for sure. Honestly, everything was structure, man. I think that if you have like a minimum RR available on a position, I think that's crucial as well. Like, you don't want to be taking trades that are, 1-to-1 to your draw. In my opinion, that might work for you. Probably a little bit more relatable on like 5 or 15-minute entries because you're getting in so much wider. But these lower time frame entries, man, I mean, 2 to 3 hour minimum, right? And then that gives you room to partial. That gives you room to manage to break even. But structure, if you're going to trail your stop loss, or in my opinion, if you're gonna fuck around with break evens, then yeah, I would have, I would consider that. But this would have been my break even point, honestly. This would have been a partial and a break even, depending on the risk to reward at that level. Like if you took the 3M flip or 2M? I think it was 3M. Okay, yeah, let's just call it. Let's just play it right here. A little bit wide. I mean, yeah, like you're barely 1-to-1. Right? It depends what you're trying to do with this trade, right? Like where are you targeting, man? Like if your draw is Asia high, then I mean there's different ways you can play it, right? That's 3.5%, right? Like you could take, for example, you could run half off, right? Or a quarter off. I would partial a little heavier and then just leave it open, trail with structure, and then just let it rip. But again, like taking a break even here is, I wouldn't say it's bad by any means. I definitely wouldn't say it's bad because you could argue this is structure here too, right? You would have been taken out for a little small dub on the rest of your position, but yeah, man, it is what it is. These markets are kind of wonky right now. Look at this. What's he saying? LOL, Forex doesn't count. What do you mean Forex doesn't count? You're making money on Forex, bro. It counts. Or you're saying like it just doesn't count when you're deciding like how to trade your indices accounts. I still think you should be copy trading all your accounts, bro. Like you find pockets of success on indices, and then you've always seemed to be slamming Forex pretty good. I still think you should just low risk copy trade all your accounts, run your personal as your master, and Bob's your fucking auntie, bro. I think there's actual women out there named Bobby. Bobby. Some spicy little 60-year-old named Bobby that runs a I don't know, like a little bar or something. Copy trade everything. Yeah, man. I think we should talk about it again tonight, but I think you should copy trade everything if you're feeling confident. The only thing is like you have to be confident. You have to know your process inside and out. And it can be a little bit to juggle different assets, right? Currently what I'm doing is mental thing have to get over. Yeah. So for me, I'm either trading my live with not my live capital, but I'm either trading my funded account with 4 other accounts copied to it, low risk, or I'm trading independent evaluations, higher risk. And that's what I'm doing right now. Like I just got one account queued up because that's what the vibe was this week, man. And I'd like to stack some more capital before I go back to just trading passively, because what I was doing was I got a funded account, and then I realized that I needed to build a $2,000 buffer on it to take a payout, not just hit the 5 days minimum of $100 per day on 5 separate days. So what I did was I loaded up 4 more flex accounts, which are a little bit different than the pro account I have. So they don't need a buffer once they're funded. So I'm looking to stack those on the back side of my pro account. And then I can start taking cash out. But all of these accounts are sitting at, let's see. Yeah, so like my funded's at 51, just under 51, and then the account I'm trading right now is at about 51,200, and then I have another eval at 50,500, and then I got another couple at 50, right around the 50 mark. So I'm just looking to blast one, not blast, but up the leverage a little bit, up the risk, get this second account passed. I'll probably do 1 or 2 more after that. 2, 3 winning trades should be passing if I'm sizing correctly. Maybe like 3 or 4, 3 to 5. That's a little bit more my range, but yeah. And then we'll go back to the fundeds, and we'll risk right down, and we'll start taking some cash out of the market. Macy fucking called it, man. Macy's definitely slamming short off this. See what I mean, Sean? Like the fact that this high is holding, we're shifting with decent momentum. Like this is not what you want to be trading. Sean, I'm going for higher RR moves and then rolling stop with no TP. Interesting. Mac, I mean, if you catch one of those legs that just decide to melt. Like it's happened a few good times this year so far. I mean, dude, it's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be nuts, man. Like just a quick like 10 to like 20, 30 R, depending how tight you get in. Be mental. I've seen a couple moves where even 1 minute pullbacks are not a thing. 5 minute gaps don't get tapped into. 3 minute gaps don't get tapped into. It just runs. It's just this like algorithmic spooling or unspooling. But it's always great to have some company while we're sitting through this type of shit ass PA. This is poo poo. What I mean is where my TP is set once it gets there. Okay. Like, do you partial at all, or do you just have a level in which you start to trail? Like once price hits your profit zone, then you'll start trailing. I think that's what he's saying. This looks heavy. Instead of targeting 2R high, I started rolling once it got there. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. I'm fairly similar. I look for like I'll take hard TPs and then I'll leave runners and trail runners. That's more my style, but also like I'll just close the rest manually if there's like an SMT or something like that. Like I ain't in the business of holding pullbacks. But I do like Mac, that method worked so well on that long. Like it just popped. Yeah, very true. Very true, bro. That stuff can just nuke. Boom. Dimitri. Cool, bro. Ba, 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 ba. Marcus, what's Morgan contracts up? Oh, OPEX, bro. OPEX. Let me summarize once more. It's basically Manipulation Friday. Every third Friday of the month, price tends to manipulate for no reason, or for the reason of OPEX. Let me read it. All right. Options expiration refers to, which is OPEX. OPEX, options expiration, refers to the date when option contracts expire, typically the third Friday of every month. It causes high volatility and increased volume as traders close or roll positions, forcing market makers to adjust their hedging, often causing stock prices to drift towards heavy strike concentrations. Assuming that's like liquidity. Volatility and volume. The days leading up to and including OPEX often see increased trading activity and sharper price movements. Showcased this morning. Pretty sharp, pretty random. Pinning effect. Stocks often pin to specific strike prices with heavy open interest. Hedging activity. Dealers and market makers may significantly alter their positions, creating large, fast-moving liquidity shifts. Yeah. It says while monthly OPEX is the most significant, there is also weekly and daily options expirations. So basically, it's just a more volatile, more unpredictable market based off of, what sounds like market makers and larger players adjusting to the expirations of their contracts. Yeah. This is kinky, bro. What's it doing? What's it doing? Is it reaching for the 1 hour? This looks terrible. NQ 1 hour, maybe? EU still indecisive. Also, here's a fun fact. So NQ, continuous contract, right? Look at the current quarterly contract. Look at the deviation, bro. Hold up. Was it ES? I think ES had the major look at this. The quarterly contract that just got released destroyed this low. But the continuous didn't. It also took this low, didn't it? No, it didn't. So kind of another reason I'm low-key sitting on my hands a bit today. Also, Asia low. ES, new quarterly contract, took it. Continuous didn't take either. Holy crap. So depending what contract you're trading, shit could get a little dicey. What are you wearing right now? Buddy, I'm wearing some white-ass little hoodie. And are you talking about what's the word? Contract? Yeah, dude. Yeah, the actual contract, like the futures contract, like I don't trade NQ1. I trade NQM. And Monday, Tuesday was NQH, right? So the contract rollover. Yeah, big deviations. So I saw this yesterday actually, and it kind of threw me off a bit. But today especially, like the markets, I don't know if we're going up or down, man. Might just be a good day to sit and chill unless we get a nice clean print. Nothing much in this leg here except this 1 hour what I can see. So I don't know. I think price is kind of just flat for now. Figuring itself out. Should we just slam some shorts? Get the casino account out and slam some shorts by. Let's go. Macy's BPR is still holding. Wild. Sean, any fires today, buddy? Only fires in your stomach, baby. Firehouse subs. Oh. Go figure, man. A firefighter eating Firehouse subs. Nice. We are mad vibing today. This is just consolidation cooked for me today. Honestly, yeah, this is shady. This is shade. Yeah. It's one of those assets I can't walk away from though until my session's over because you never know, dude. You never know. But for now, this is fucked. No, none of this. I'm not even on the right asset here. I don't know, man. NQ's starting to look like it wants to stretch. Getting these relatives. I guess we kind of got relatives on both sides of the market. It's just squeezing. I've always wanted to be a trend line trader or like a patterns trader. I did that when I first started learning, bro. Look at this. We got a little wedge, whatever that means. Look at that. We got another little wedge within the wedge. Oh, yeah. Ascending channel. Bro, their whole concept is it's a firehouse, all firefighting gear and stuff in there. Oh, no way, man. Right on. No way. Okay. Pause. I'm going to their website right now. Firehouse. Ha! I typed in fire, dude, and it was fire and flower like the weed store. I've been there in a minute. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit, Sean. Hold up. Let me see if I can switch this over. I need you to walk me through. Where is internet? What's oh fuck yeah, man. That looks delicious. What's your go-to, man? Hold on, let me go order. Let me place an order right now. Delivery. Ah. Okay, let me just see the menu. Really? One sec, boys. I'm just gonna put a random address in. New ICT term? Which one? ICT, bro. He still streams like every day. I'm pretty sure. I had him. I subscribed to him on this channel, and it shows him live, man. It's wicked. I've only ever watched his live teachings, but okay. If I go window capture, hold on. Let's go window capture. Window capture 2. Hold up. Let me see if I can get this on here. Sean. It's now or never, big dog. There we go. Or hook and ladder. Hat trick. Okay. The golden brisket. Oh, dirty. The golden brisket or just the brisket? Golden brisket. That's the kinky sandwich for sure. French fries. Their featured flavors are French fries. Ooh, they look good though. Hook and ladder. Okay. Hook and ladder. Where is it? Am I blind, bro? There it is. Turkey, ham with Monterey. Okay. You're a sliced meats kind of guy, eh? Fascinating. Ooh, veggie. That sounds good. Turkey bacon ranch was always a classic. Oh, this looks good. Anything without pork, I guess. Smoked turkey, roast beef, provolone. Nice. Brisket hat trick. Okay, hold up. Let me just go to this beauty. How big are these things, man? Like, are they gonna fucking get me loaded like a sub? Like a Subway? 12-inch. Oh, there we go. They said fuck 6-inch. Processed meat is ass. Get that away from me. Mac, you don't eat ass, bro? Come on. You want that nutritional information, bro? Look at that. We got 3 grams of salt. That's like half your daily intake. That's beautiful. Sugars, proteins. How do you measure cholesterol? Interesting. 102 fat? Holy fuck. Let's go. All the sauce and cheese, man. That's where you get screwed. It's unreal. Nice, man. Honestly, we all have our different track records with Subway, but for me, man, like my growth was very interesting. Like first ever sub I ever did was the meatball marinara, and then I did the cold cut combo, and then I did the sweet onion chicken teriyaki, and then I did the chicken bacon ranch. And I'm a saucy guy. Like fill that shit up. Southwest hot sauce, it's got to be soaking. I love it. Sauce boss. Chicken bacon ranch. Then it was the flatbread steak and cheese with a shit ton of jalapenos. And then I went plant-based for 7 years, and it was the veggie, bro. The veggie was great. The great thing with the veggie is you get a 12-inch for like $7. You get two of them. You get two veggie sandwiches loaded with sauce for like $15. And then stopped only eating veg, started eating fish. And I've been like, I've honestly been slamming the tuna ever since, boys. Call me filthy. Oh, you can buy sauces. Okay. Texas Pete, what a name. What a name. Bee sting? Ooh. Looks like these look like they're from all different type of people too. Maybe not, same model. Mac, didn't you have like a sponsorship or like a affiliation with a meal company at some point? Oh. Get in me. Definitely a little bit more premium pricing, but hey man, all good. How we looking here? We looking bullish? This is terrible. This is a bit of a struggle. It's like GU had another expansion off this 15. Might have been a 1 hour. No tag. Yeah, no, nothing here. Too wide. Factor meals or we cook, forget what one. Whatever happened to it? Like, how did the agreement work? Like, do they just you got to bring in a certain amount of business, or you just get like a discount? Or I've never tried those things before. I like to cook too much. Another greasy little 3M. It's just a little wide, high up in the leg. No one bought out. Yeah, bro. Like you gotta shove that shit down people's throats. And honestly, like it's only for a certain type of people, like certain type of person. It's a lot of money for like not a lot of food. You know what I'm saying? Like pre-cooked and or pre-made meals and shit. Like you're paying a mint. You just meal prep and you're good to go for like half the value, half the cost, if that. That's still cool though, man. It's still cool you got to experience the affiliation with that type of shit. Mac, what's the goal, man? Like, are you looking to scale your YouTube? I think that's what you were saying. Was it YouTube and trading this year? That's your primary focus? Can't remember. YouTube seems like a very interesting beast. Just like trading, like process over outcome. You know what I'm saying? Consistency. First, I like how the Bears from Wednesday and Asia in London. Trading them, I'm sure, than YouTube. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Obviously, bro. Definitely. Definitely. You guys know if Lendog took that position? It's a spicy 15-minute to trade off, especially if we close through it. YouTube though, I just want to vlog and have trades mixed in. I'm so tired of the sit down videos. I did them every week for almost 5 years. That's insane, dude. Talked about all I can talk about the vlogs. Great. Honestly, man, like just like little lifestyle type shit, right? Like just normal lifestyle stuff that isn't just packed full of materialism and all that crap. Like just you and your life, man. That's what it's all about. Authentic content. There you go. Yeah, man, I agree. There she goes by. Both pairs tap into that 1 hour. Really impulsive. Might not get anything off this. We'll see. Still got 55 minutes, 54 minutes left in this. That 15 is getting off. Yeah. Yeah, dude, honestly, I like the vlog style. Oh, I'm not even showing my chart, man. I'm showing this fucking sandwich still. Unbelievable. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. Just a quick update. We are now well within this 1 hour gap, but at this point, we'll have to see a good reaction. This is pretty impulsive. A 2-minute candle in 40 seconds. A 3-minute candle in a minute 30. Mac, are you shooting for like one vid a week kind of thing, or? I think that's what is it, bi-weekly? Can't remember. Okay. Okay. There is a little 1 minute first presented here. How wide are we looking? Nope. Oh, too wide. This is what I like to see, boys. That's a good reaction. 66 points. Yeah, it's about even. Bi-weekly, probably YouTube is better when you are having fun with it. 100%, dude. 100%. YouTube ain't the type of work where it's a job. Like, it becomes very, very difficult, I'd imagine. Gives people a chance to miss you as well. Yeah, man, 100%. You got to know your worth. Have you ever done, like, just hopped on live calls with your phone? Excuse me. I don't have any bangers picked out for this W that we're gonna go out to catch, so we're just gonna have to improvise. We gonna have to improvise. Come on. It's getting a little wide for your boy. I'll tell you that. It's getting a little wide. Silver is down almost 10% today. Wow. It literally just melted. 14.5% at the low. Ay, ay, ay. Bye-bye metals. Yeah. Anyways, back to it. This is looking like it. It's looking like this. You get a reaction, come back down. We'll see what happens. ES never topped. Those equals? Oh. Way down she goes. This is looking interesting. Look at the respect on that 3-minute level. Odds of this flipping, probably very minimal. Plus ES never tagged this 1 hour. Both assets got completely respected. Hey, man, it's been a pretty chill day so far, boys. Holy crap. Fuck all going on. Ugh. Come on. Well, metal's sold off. Crypto's probably sold off too. A little bit. Oh my goodness. 8R down. Yeah, this is... Bitcoin needs legs, man. Bitcoin needs legs. Look what Bitcoin's got to travel through to get any type of like upward. Ay, ay, ay. What a song.